Alright, in this video I'm going to explain why your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator leaks. In this example we're using a 2016 JK, but the cause of this problem is universal, so this goes for everybody. Specifically, I want to kind of tailor this video to my people out in Washington and Oregon on the Pacific West Coast. I speak to so many of you who basically buy a Jeep and then, get it rains, and then you guys get this. And the reason I'm addressing Pacific Northwest out there in that area is because you guys get hammered with rain. And if you have a Jeep Wrangler, that combination is just very frustrating because it rains so much and then your Wrangler doesn't do a good job of keeping it out. So this video is for you. All right, let's just jump straight into the meat and potatoes of this. So the reason Jeep Wranglers leak is because, as you can see here, okay, and you can verify this on your vehicle, you've got a rubber that goes straight around the door side here, all the way down to the bottom and around. Beautiful. They all have that. You have that. Thumbs up. But what you do not have, and I guarantee it's 100%, is any rubber around the body side of the vehicle. Now, we'll show you where there is rubber. Never mind this. I put that there, and you will eventually too. This piece of rubber is here. B-pillar mucket. Up here, A pillar mucket, and C, this windshield mucket right here on your JK. Same thing with the Gladiators and JLs. 3 pieces of rubber, but in between all of that is bare metal. And then from here to there, this diagonal, it's just literally, go ahead, check it out. It's just bare metal. So problem is that when you close the door, your door side seal is trying its best to seal against bare metal. And Jeep Wrangler is the only vehicle that actually seals like this. This is the way they go about this. Now, in the rest of their lineup, like their Cherokee or their Wagoneer or any of the other Chrysler products, what they end up having, just like every other vehicle on the road today, is rubber here, and also a rubber that goes around the entire surface when you close the door. All right, same thing on the back. If you open the back doors, you'll also notice it's just bare. Got this fiberglass back panel here. Nothing going on there. This is just some old material that I've been messing around with. But yeah, it's just the same deal. Bare. You come here, right? Nothing. Now, something interesting I want to point out over here is that on the rear, they actually have the rubber here on the body. So they do understand what a body side seal is, and it goes around the glass as well, right? But they do not have it on the door. Now, I do have it installed on the door, but I promise you, you don't have rubber sitting on your tailgate right now. So when it slams against the rubber here or the glass, same thing. I have rubber on the glass right now. That's a sealing surface. Let's see if you can see that. Right there. And it seals there. So they know what a body side seal is, but they never could give it to you on both driver and passenger side door. Now, we come to this side of the vehicle, and this is something that has taken me a while to master and perfect, but it's made here in the United States. I'm very proud of the body specific seal that we have on the Wrangler. This is 100% made here in the United States. It's rubber. And in this particular application, what I love about this is that, guys, on a rainy day when it's raining, you open the door, you get this waterfall, and it's all over there. It's tufts across and this and that. Well, that's technically the source of your leak. So this material was made, and you'll install, if you decide to, this what I call the Jeep drip strip. What it does is it catches all of the water that comes off this panel, and instead of it just dripping down, well, it gets caught, and there's a double-sided tape behind all of this. It comes down this windshield post, and eventually, where I have this beer cap opener, bottle opener, and kind of this vinyl graphic of where it leaks, it literally does leak here. But that's good. It's to the outside of the vehicle. So we're happy about that. Not to the inside. Now, if you'll take a look here, we've got the rest of the body side seal, and it does go all the way around the body, so this way when the door shuts, get a nice tight seal. I love that. So that's something that's fantastic, and I just want to explain to you guys why your Jeep leaks and how you can fix it. I'll leave a link down the bottom of this if you guys want to check out the leak fix kit. They're typically kind of sold out because we're trying our best here with our manufacturer to keep up with demand, and they're doing a fantastic job, but a lot of people are seeing the logic in this, and they're ordering the kit. And then, of course, I'm always available to answer any questions. And I'm Tony, by the way. You can read about those fantastic reviews about how this is helping people solve their issue, and also the fact that I am always there to answer questions. So if you do have any questions regarding any of this, right, forget, aside from the kit, which will solve your problems, if you have a particular situation that you want to talk to me about, reach out to me. My number's all over the place here. My name's Tony. We'll help get you squared away, but ultimately putting the leak fix kit around your doors. So if you have a 2-door, we have 2-door kits. You have a 4-door, 4-door kits. And now, what does this material do in terms of a kit? When I say a kit, what I mean by a kit is one 4-door kit will seal front door, passenger door, top of freedom panel, other edge of freedom panel over there. So now you have a complete seal, which, by the way, the way we engineered this here, let me just open this up, is that seal, which is on the other side as well, doesn't wrap completely around here. It leaves with the freedom panel. So this way you always have the ability to remove that, because that's why you buy this vehicle. But anyway, it seals the 2 front doors, seals the 2 back doors, it seals the back tailgate, and it seals the back glass. And now you seal this thing up like a submarine one time, and all that range you get out there in, you know, in Washington, Oregon, you know, Pacific Northwest, you guys are you're gonna put that problem to bed right away, because now the vehicle's sealed like a submarine. Water has no place to get in. Problem solved, and that's it. So yeah, just hopefully that helps understand why your Jeep leaks, and if you especially went to the dealership, why they can't fix it, because they don't have a body side seal. But I do. And check out, if it's in pre-order, that means that our manufacturers are still working hard to get it to us. I know the next batch comes up here in the next few days, and you can go ahead and pre-order your kit. So this way you get one for sure and it doesn't sell out on you. Or call me if any of this you want to go over it. I'm always around.